Now, good morning, children. Let's come back to the sea. You'll have finished that. Look at the picture and complete these sentences with the position words from the box. See, in front of, near, between, into, next to, behind, on. So, now this is the story, and the story they have given the picture. So, this computer is on the table. The dog is in front of the table. So let's see. Hi, I am Baraj. This is my room. I am Baraj. This is my room. I am sitting on the floor. I am sitting on the floor. আমি মাটিতে বসে আছি. On হয়ে গেছে. I am sitting dash the window. I am sitting in front of the window. Window কোথায়? In front. I am sitting behind the window. আমি window পিছনে নেই. I am sitting in front of the window. So in front of the window হয়ে গেছে. And the desk. Oh, I am sitting near. Sorry, in front नहीं. Near क्योंकि दो चीज दे दिया है. I am sitting window or desk. So I am sitting near the desk and near the window. Near যাবে. Near. There is a ball dash me. There is a ball in front of me. আমার সামনে একটা বল আছে. In front হলো. Okay. In front of me. The cup is dash me. The cup is where is the cup? The cup is near me. The cup is next to me. I put a straw in the cup. I put a straw cup e bhitare. I put a straw in the cup. Okay. Where is it? I put a straw. Okay. I put a straw into the cup. Sorry. Into the cup. Because straw বাইরে ছিল আমি ওটা তুলে ভিতরে ঢুকালাম. That is into the cup. I put a straw into the cup. There is a cricket ball. There is a cricket ball dash me. There is a cricket bat. Okay. There is a cricket bat behind me. Behind me. পিছনে আমার পিছনে. The picture of the car is dash the window. Okay. The picture of the car is beside the window. See. Car is next to the window. Here, according to this word, it is next to the window. ठीक है. Next to the window. Now between कहाँ पे गया? In between. There is a ball dash me. The cup is dash me. I put the straw in the cup. This is a room. I'm sitting on the floor. I'm sitting dash the window and the desk. Between the window and the desk. I'm sitting between the window and the desk. Okay. There is a ball in front of me. Between ho gaya. Between the window and the thing. Okay. I put a straw into the cup. There is a cricket bat behind me. The picture of the car is dash the window. Near the window. Okay. Then okay. So this is the activity you have to do. Now go around the classroom, find things that is under something, between something, in something, on something, behind something, next to something. Under something, what it is kept? Under the table, under the bench, under something. Under something is what? Between something, in something, in pencil box. In something will become pencil box. My pencil is in the pencil box. Between, you can say my pencil box is between, or lunch box is between my bag and thing, you can say. On something, on table. Behind something, friend is sitting behind me. Next to something, friend is sitting next to me. Okay. So that's all children, this you have to do.